how's it been being a freshman on this team so far?
It's definitely been a trip. Coming in, I didn't feel too hot, and just working with the coaches, they just got a lot out of me so far. And I think I just got to keep doing what I'm doing so far, stick to my plan, stay committed to be a Lion, and hopefully it'll be a fun 3 years here.
And you've been moving up and down the lineup a little bit. You and the other two main guys at the top of the lineup, Austin and David Fletcher. What are you trying to bring when you're kind of moving in different spots? Are you trying to do a little bit something different, or is it the same approach at all times?
I try to keep it the same, because once you start changing things, baseball's a mental thing. So once you get things in your head, you're doing completely different things. So I just try to stick to the plan and do whatever I can with the baseball.
And you guys this is a pretty big series in a WCC. What has kind of the older guys told you about playing against Pepperdine, and the fact that they're one of the top teams in this league?
It's big. Obviously, this is my first time in it, and so it's definitely a blessing to be part of it. And all it's about so far is the PCH Cup, and so we're just trying to keep it, stay competing, and just play hard all the time. It's just another game for us, basically.
In your first one, you come through with a big hit. You get a two-run double there. Tell me what you saw on that at bat.
I wasn't really stuck to the plan like I should have been, but I just competed, and I got a pitch that was in my plan, fortunately, because I was kind of all over the place, and I was able to just rip one down the line.
And you guys kind of battled back and forth, and is that kind of a good introduction for you to this series? Because that's kind of how these games seem to go.
Yeah, so far, I mean, we've been competing in a lot of games. They've all been close, and so it definitely helps with the experience that we're staying competing in all these games. And this isn't our first one where we're just kind of like a close one. So definitely the experience from past games has been helping.
Yeah, and you're a little bit over the quarter of the way through your freshman season. What have you seen kind of the progression from maybe the first couple games to now?
I think now teams know how to pitch me specifically, and now it's just adjusting to that and knowing what's going to be coming, and just, of course, sticking to the plan, of course.
And how do you think things have been going for you?
I definitely started off solid. We had a little rough patch, but all you can do is battle, keep playing, because it's baseball, so things are going to happen. Just got to keep my head up, and hopefully things will be turning out pretty well.
Looked like you had a little cheering squad here for you today.
Yeah, we like getting the fans out here, and I like to be a little pretty friendly on campus, so got some people cheering today, I guess, out here in Pepperdine. Who knows, yeah.